Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will practice present continuous tense. So let's start. He is riding bicycle. He is not riding bicycle. Is he riding bicycle? The cook is baking the cake. The cook is not baking the cake. Is the cook baking the cake? She is plucking the flower. Is she plucking the flower? She is not plucking the flower. He is painting the wall. He is not painting the wall. Is he painting the wall? Hina is studying math. Hina is not studying math. Is Hina studying math? Ali is talking to his teacher. Ali is not talking to his teacher. Is Ali talking to his teacher? She is cleaning the living room. She is not cleaning the living room. Is she cleaning the living room? I hope you will learn this lecture and will also practice it. Allah Hafiz.